How are you today?
I am very well, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
What is your nationality?
I am British.
Where were you born?
I was born in London.
Are you a student?
No, I am a teacher.
Where do you live now?
I live in New York.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Maria.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
His name is James.
Is your brother older than you?
No, he is younger than me.
What do your parents do?
My father is a doctor and my mother is a nurse.
Do you have any sisters?
No, I do not have any sisters.
Are your grandparents still alive?
Yes, my grandmother is still alive.
How often do you see your parents?
I see them every weekend.
Does your brother live with you?
No, he lives in a different city.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children yet.
Is your family large?
No, my family is quite small.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest.
Do you look like your mother?
Yes, people say we look very similar.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Catherine.
Does your family have a pet?
Yes, we have a golden retriever.
What is the dog's name?
His name is Buddy.
Do you like family gatherings?
Yes, I enjoy them very much.
Where does your aunt live?
She lives in Chicago.
How many cousins do you have?
I have 5 cousins.
Are you close with your family?
Yes, we are very close.
What is your profession?
I am a graphic designer.
Where do you work?
I work in a design studio downtown.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I find it very creative.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by subway.
Is your office far from your home?
No, it takes about 20 minutes.
What do you do at work?
I create logos and websites.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I only work from Monday to Friday.
Do you wear a uniform?
No, I wear casual clothes.
Who is your boss?
My boss is Mr. Johnson.
Is he a kind person?
Yes, he is very helpful.
Did you go to university?
Yes, I studied at art college.
What was your major?
My major was visual arts.
When did you graduate?
I graduated 3 years ago.
Was the university difficult?
It was challenging but interesting.
Do you want to change your job?
No, I am happy with my current job.
Do you work in a team?
Yes, I work with 3 other designers.
Do you have a lot of meetings?
We have 1 meeting every morning.
Do you use a computer at work?
Yes, I use a computer all day.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of projects to finish.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and coffee.
Do you exercise in the morning?
I sometimes go for a short run.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8:15 a.m.
Where do you have lunch?
I have lunch at a small cafe near my office.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym or go shopping.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I like to cook my own meals.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner around 7:30 p.m.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
I rarely watch TV. I prefer reading.
What are you reading now?
I am reading a mystery novel.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the evening.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every Saturday.
Do you go to bed early?
No, I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I usually sleep for 8 hours.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use my phone as an alarm.
What do you do on Sundays?
I usually visit my parents or rest.
Do you like mornings?
No, I am more of a night owl.
Do you take a nap during the day?
No, I don't have time for naps.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I can cook lasagna and spaghetti.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food very much.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries and bananas.
Do you eat meat?
No, I'm a vegetarian.
What do you drink with lunch?
I usually drink water.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I have a sweet tooth.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you drink soda?
No, I think it is too sugary.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it with milk and no sugar.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, but I prefer vegetable rolls.
Do you like fast food?
Occasionally, but I prefer healthy food.
What is in your fridge?
There are eggs, milk, and vegetables.
Can you bake bread?
No, but I can bake cookies.
Do you go to restaurants often?
I go once or twice a week.
What is the best restaurant here?
The Green Garden is very good.
Do you like seafood?
No, I don't like the taste of fish.
What is your favorite juice?
I like fresh orange juice.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
What are your hobbies?
I like photography and gardening.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like swimming and tennis.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the piano.
How often do you practice?
I practice for 30 minutes every day.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music all the time.
What kind of music do you like?
I like jazz and classical music.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love going to the cinema.
What was the last movie you saw?
I saw a documentary about nature.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I take salsa classes.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go 3 times a week.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, it is my favorite thing to do.
How many countries have you visited?
I have visited 10 countries.
Do you like reading newspapers?
No, I read the news online.
Do you have any collections?
I collect vintage postcards.
Can you swim well?
Yes, I've been swimming since I was a child.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, especially in the autumn.
Do you play video games?
No, I find them a bit boring.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I always bring my camera on vacation.
What do you do to relax?
I take a long bath and listen to music.
Are you interested in art?
Yes, I love visiting art museums.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to France.
Did you go alone?
No, I went with my best friend.
How long did you stay there?
We stayed for 2 weeks.
Was the weather good?
Yes, it was sunny every day.
Did you speak French there?
I tried, but my French is not very good.
How did you travel around?
We traveled by train.
Where's the train station?
It is located in the center of the city.
Is it expensive to travel by train?
No, it is quite affordable.
Do you prefer planes or boats?
I prefer planes because they are faster.
Have you ever been to Asia?
No, but I want to go to Japan.
Do you need a visa for your trip?
Do you need a visa for your trip?
Where's your passport?
It is in my desk drawer.
Do you pack a lot of luggage?
No, I prefer to travel light.
Do you like staying in hotels?
Yes, if they are clean and quiet.
What is the most beautiful place you have seen?
The mountains in Switzerland. Can you drive a car? Yes, I have a driver's license.
Do you have your own car?
No, I don't need one in the city.
How far is the airport?
It is about 40 kilometers away.
Is there a bus to the airport?
Yes, there is a shuttle every hour.
Are you afraid of flying?
No, I actually find it exciting.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
Where's the nearest mall?
It is just 2 blocks away.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for a new winter coat.
What size do you wear?
I wear a size small.
Does this dress fit you?
Yes, it fits perfectly.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Is there a discount?
Yes, it is 20% off today.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Where's the fitting room?
It is at the back of the store.
Do you have this in a different color?
Yes, we have it in red and black.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please put it in the bag.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I shop online quite often.
Is it safe to buy things online?
Yes, if you use trusted websites.
Do you save money every month?
I try to save a little bit.
What is the most expensive thing you bought?
My laptop was very expensive.
Do you have any cash?
No, I only have my card.
Where's the ATM?
There's one next to the supermarket.
Do you like window shopping?
Yes, it is a fun way to spend time.
Are these shoes comfortable?
Yes, they are very soft.
Do you want to go to the market?
Yes, I need to buy fresh vegetables.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm.
What is the temperature?
It is about 22 degrees Celsius.
Do you like the rain?
No, I don't like getting wet.
Is it going to snow today?
No, the sky is very clear.
What is your favorite season?
I love spring because of the flowers.
Is it cold in winter here?
Yes, it often drops below 0.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have one in my bag.
Does it rain a lot in London?
Yes, it is often cloudy and damp.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but sometimes it is too hot.
What do you wear in winter?
I wear a heavy coat, a scarf, and gloves.
Is it windy outside?
Yes, the wind is quite strong today.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love sunbathing at the beach.
Can you see the moon tonight?
Yes, it is a full moon.
What time does the sun set?
It sets at 6 p.m. in the winter.
Is it humid today?
No, the air is quite dry.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside in the summer.
Have you ever seen a rainbow?
Yes, I saw one yesterday after the rain.
Do you like autumn colors?
Yes, the red and yellow leaves are beautiful.
Is there a lot of fog this morning?
Yes, I can't see the road very well.
Should I wear a sweater?
Yes, it's a bit chilly.